Trade recap for Friday, 2nd of November. First trade was HPR from my swing from yesterday. This one sort of played around here in the close, popped up in the morning, instantly pulled back, so I added some to my position here, risking that previous high. It came back, popped through, so I took it all off for flat. Experimenting with this new idea of swinging some, so we're going to see how it goes, but this one obviously didn't want to start adding to a loser, so made the right decision cutting that one for flat. The second one was so GLBS from yesterday as well. Didn't do anything with this one, just let it run, slowly grinding down, low volume. We'll see where it goes. Looking at the much better daily charts than HPR, so we'll see where it goes. I mean, I could see this dropping to the sort of 7 to 8s, perhaps down towards this support line here, so we'll see where that one goes, but holding on to that one. The next trade was CIFS. Got this one on the Momo scanner in the morning, huge pop from 195 up to 250, so looking to try and get that move after the top. Hit it for the backside here, covered some into the wash here, and then when it started to come back, took some more off. No, I didn't, I believe. No, it was short into the bounce, covered some, and then let it rip up, and then I got a really nice add-on up here, pull back, so covered some into that wash, and then into this next wash, adding again on the pops. Might be slightly easier for you to see it on the 1 minute. Let's have a look. Yeah, so shorting for the backside, pops up, shorting more into that rip, covered some more. It might well be that I covered some here and then re-shorted, cover. I think that's what happened. Short for the backside, covered partial, just because I didn't want to start adding to a loser. That allowed me to add more higher, then covered into the wash, adding again on the pops. Right, trying to ride that one on the way down. Was trying to be patient with the last quarter, potentially a swing if it did close weak, but decided to cut it all and finish flat on that one. Just not really the sort of daily chart I'm looking to swing any on. So that was that one. The next one was ACRX. ACRX was an interesting one. Again, Momo scanner, parabolic type move. I had to go at something a little bit different here. As I've been focusing on the backside of these moves, I do feel that there is that potential that you're going to miss that great entry that you can get if you play into the front side of the parabolic. So what I sort of tried to do was on the front side, play more of a scalping mode, and then look to try and size it in once backside is confirmed, and be more patient. So front side, smaller size, quick scalps, and then backside, a bit more patient. This one, so as you can see here, got a short into the rip, added some more, and then covered on partial on the dip, added some more, covered partial, covered on these dips, added again on pops, and then added on pops, covered on washes, until it kind of, I felt like was putting in this uptrending triangle. Felt to me that backside wasn't in and it was going to rip, so took it off here. So green on the trade on the front side. Then after it sort of hit this level here and failed to really break out and had a big rectangle, I thought, okay, backside's in, let's get short again. So I got short in here, a little bit too keen, too much size, so ended up covering when it tested that high of day. Just moving that stop up slightly would have meant I didn't take that loss and it would have worked out, but just consider that for the future. A little bit more room for it to work, maybe focus a bit more on a better entry when I am on the backside of the move. So after it, I was short here for the backside, stopped out on that high day, failed, I thought, okay, this is the short. So I went back in, even worse entry in fact, but added to that one, and then this time I was correct. I was going to test, just above this level here, and then covered into the washes. So brought that name back into so it was sort of green on the front side, back to red, and then back into the green. But some good trading here and an interesting sort of development of my style. So we'll monitor that and see how that goes. Scalping front side, much bigger size on the back side. Okay, hope you have a good weekend. See you next week, traders.